Ganesh Chaturthi, one of the most eminent festival of India. This festival is celebrated all over the India with immense joy and happiness. So we wish you a happy Ganesh Chaturthi from the team of Coding Halt. Enjoy with your family and friends. So on this special occasion, what the team of Coding Halt had designed is something new and something unique. So you have read the title also, so it's no surprise anymore. Let's get started. Hi, I'm Ritesh Tiwari this side, signing in with you. So what we are designing is a Ganesh Puja management system. This time we have not used C++ or a Python. This time we have used Java as a language. So yes, from today onwards, Coding Halt will be also serving you the Java project. So what you are waiting for? Just hit that subscribe button, press the bell icon to get the latest notification of the Java projects. This project is fully loaded with GUI stuff also. So I will suggest you to take the source code. For the source code, what you have to do, check out the description box and you can get the source code. Take the source code, design this management system for your club also. Talking about some of the cool functionalities of this project, you can add the devotees, you can add your expenses by the club done in the Ganpati Mahotsav, right? Also, you can see all the expenses and all the devotees who have sent the money through online or which mode you can, all that stuff that can be done. In the devoted section, you will get the two labels. One label will be showing the total balance and one label will be showing the available balance. What is this total balance and available balance? Total balance is the balance which have been collected by the club members through devotees, and the second level will be the available balance. The available balance will be the balance which have been saved after all the expenses. So what you are left with the money that all club have, so you can expense all those management system has been done and that program. All that stuff will be explained by the Hemant in the later part of the video also. So please watch the full video, and if you want the line by line explanation of the source code, what you have to do, you have to share with your friends and get us a 1k view. If we get a 1k view, we will be uploading a line by line explanation of this project also. So over to Hemant for the explanation part of this project. Let's go and see all the functionalities. I'm also very excited to know all the functionalities of the program. So let's go to Hemant and see all the functionalities. Thank you.
Thank you, Amritesh. So let's go for the demonstration part of the Ganpati Mahotsav system. So I'm on my computer screen and good to go and demonstrate each and every part of the program. This will be our first Java project. So are you excited? And look, it's on a special day and with a special one, Lord Ganpati. I'm very excited to demonstrate this program. So let me open my IDE. I'm using NetBeans IDE for this project. Now you can see that I have written many lines of code. Now let me run this program. And here it comes with amazing interface with proper GUI system. This program is for managing the donation record of Ganpati Mahotsav. So I'm showing the functionality of this program. This program has many functionalities. First of all, you can add donator, you can view donation, you can add expense, the cost you are expending on Ganpati Mahotsav. You can view your expense and you can exit the program. Now let me first show you first functionality, add donator. I'm adding a new donator, and the donator name is suppose Hemant, and phone number is 9294817724. This is my WhatsApp number also. If you want source code, you can just DM me on this WhatsApp number. Now address is Bhopal. Money I'm donating suppose 10,000, and mode of payment is cash. I'm donating through cash, and let me click on add button, and here pop-up box is coming, successfully added. I have done this much programming that for every adding element you will see that pop-up box that successfully added, and I'm clicking on OK button, and let me enter one more data. That name is something Mr. Agrawal, and phone number is suppose I'm entering this is phone number, and address he is from Indore, and money he is donating is 5,000, and mode of payment is Paytm. He is paying us through Paytm. And let me click on add button, and one more data has been successfully added to Ganpati Mahotsav system. Now we can see donation by clicking on second option. Let me click on that button. You can see that the list of donation has pop up from in the menu, and here is the list. The person who has donated to our Ganpati Mahotsav, Amritesh donated 10,000 and he is living in Bhopal, and mode of payment is cash. Here mode of payment is also necessary. We have mentioned it. Shruti is donating 10,000 online, and here are many more. And two data we have added recently. Hemant, my data is there. I'm paying through cash, and Mr. Agarwal is there, who is from Indore and to Paytm. He wants to send us money. Now let me click on back button. Now add expense because it is Ganpati Mahotsav system, so we have to do some expenditures. I'm entering contractor name. I'm entering sweet shop and expand name for laddus and sweets I'm paying. So and mobile number is suppose I'm entering, and budget is 10,000. We are expanding 10,000 for laddus and sweets. Let me click on done button, and here is also one pop-up menu successfully added. And from the fourth option, view expense, you can view your expense. So let me click on this button. Previously, I have expended 12,000 rupees for Sharma decorators for making pandal of Ganpati Mahotsav. And recently, I have ordered laddu and sweets of 10,000 rupees. So you can also see that. Now let me view donation option, and in that option you can see that total our donation is 5,000, and out of which 33,000 is available because we have expended 22,000, 10,000 on sweets and laddus, and 12,000 for making pandal we have expended. And this program is fully working in Java, and in NetBeans ID I am running that program. Now let me add one more expand. That contractor name is suppose Sani suppliers, because pandal is there, so I need water cans for it, so I'm ordering water from Sani suppliers, and I'm entering their mobile number, and budget is of suppose we are ordering cans of water, so it is around 4,000 rupees, and let me click on done button and okay. And now we will view expense, so you can see that water cans are added, which is of 4,000 rupees, and from the donation 4,000 is subtracted. That total money is 55,000, and through which available amount is 29,000. Previously it was 33,000, but we have ordered water cans of 4,000 rupees, so it got subtracted from it. I hope you will like the program. If you like the program, then hit that like button because it motivates us to make more projects in Java and C++. And thank you for giving a lot of love to our last projects like Vaccine Enrollment System, Vaccine Enrollment 2.0. And we are very happy to provide you source code. You just have to DM us on Instagram, Coding Halt, or email codinghalt@gmail.com. And you can also DM us on WhatsApp on mobile numbers showing on the screen 9294817724 and 83055457775.